Are you ready for camping?
Yes.
But are you feeling well now?
Yes. Just a little bit much small.
What do you have? Sipon?
Yes.
Oh. If you're not well, we will not go. Because we cannot go camping if you're sick. Good morning, kids.
Good morning.
Oh no, you're sick.
Not.
If you're sick, we're not going to the camp.
I'm not. Mommy said.
Okay. What are we gonna do today?
No camping.
Yay! Who's gonna be there?
My friends. Emma, Ezra, Mo, Zach.
Medyo maulan. Hasil.
Yay!
Thanks for pillow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, kabayan?
What's up?
What's up?
Hey. Hey. Ngayon ay June 7, Friday. Background. Always. Sige, upload ko to.
Papakita ka namin sa Facebook.
Hi. Say
Naiyak ka
hi.
na, iyak.
Say hi, baby. Mga 3:50 kami umalis sa Oshawa. This is our first camp for 2024. Sobrang excited na yung isa. Pero tulog siya. Mamaya ulit. Okay? Sana natin matulog to. May 1 hour pa siya. Bagsak ang aking mga madam.
Yari tayo dyan, mamaya.
Stop ko ba? Nag-aantay po kami ngayon. Medyo matagal siya. Anong number natin? Uluwi.
266. Wilma.
Nauna kasi kami kala Ate Wilma. So, kami yung Wilma and Louie daw.
Kasi hindi daw kami papapasok.
So, okay. Ate, are you excited?
Yes, but it's taking ages. Ages. Taking more. Taking for ages. Ages. Taking.
Sarado talaga guys. Yung sarado siya may
Ano eh? Picture mo. Ay, mataas-taas yun. Good morning, lamig-lamig. Girls are still sleeping. Kaya sila. Grabe lamig, 14 degrees ngayon. Tapos kanina, madaling araw, nag 13 degrees. Kala lang ako sa mga bata. Kasi ako nga nilalamig eh. Tapos Aries, iyak ng iyak. It's gonna be windy all day.
Maday na naka-record yan na.
Good morning! It is about 9 a.m. Hello! Nagpapakiyot!
Smile.
Smile!
May supon naman. Say hi! Hi! Welcome to our camp. Hindi pa man ang iibig pa niya.
I did cooking since morning.
Tatlo-tatlong sandok ang gamit, oh.
Isang mahirap na siya.
Smile! Hi! Ito ang tunay na heroes ng camping. Yung mga willing maghugas.
Tama na yun, Jervic.
Nakikita mo yung invention natin, ha?
Yan nga po. Kapatent na yan kapag ganyan.
Red actor. Good morning. And pretend the baby is inside and he's crying.
Quack, quack, quack. I wonder what's inside. Are you ready, butterfly? Ah! There are two butterflies! Doom, doom, doom. Ah! Are you ready, butterfly? Beep, beep.
Teka, may quick.
Okay, this is the balls.
You found a rhino beetle. So, Audra, what's heavy?
Which color should I choose? I think this. This is really sharp.
Parang share ate. Share it to both of them. See, the camera is recording you that you're not sharing.
Tara, mag-toothbrush tayo. Pag nagka-camping daw, huwag ka magtatapat ng ilaw sa mga campsites. Rude nga naman, diba? Pagka tinignan mo, ito na yung CR, kita nyo na. May ilaw, diba? Patay na natin. Ito ibang path naman. Paikot. Mas okay dito, di nakakatakot kasi may mga tao. Look at the trees. You might see something. You might see something I'm not seeing right now. Diyan ako nagigib kanina. Kaya lang, parang nasa probinsya ka lang talaga. Ulan daw mamaya eh. Mga 2 AM. So, let's see. Kasama sa camping yan. That's our tent. Hello. I'm sorry. Good night. Good night, Aries.
Good night, say good night. Bye-bye.
We're going home tomorrow. Good morning! Uwi na!
It's 10:36.
Ng Sunday. Yan, loaded na kami. Mukha lang yan okay pero magulo yan. Yung mga bata.
Papakain niya si Ducky.
Siyempre pagod yan. Uwi na! Camping over! On to the next camp.
On to the next camp.
Para isang buwan pa yun. Alright, may picturean pa raw. Let's see. Kung meron, may picture after nito.
Ako yung nangingilo sa'yo eh.
Inaayos ko lang, paano bata? You.